रखते हुए मैं थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन ऑडियंस को उनका करना चाहूंगा। Engineer VB Singh's illustrious journey began with a bachelor's degree in civil engineering from IIT Roorkee, formerly the Roorkee University. His thirst for knowledge led him to pursue a Bachelor of Laws degree in specialization in taxation laws from Lucknow University. He further enhanced his administrative acumen by earning a postgraduate diploma in public administration from the same university. I think he's having so much qualification that even I didn't know that he's not only an engineer but also a lawyer also and an can say administrator also. Engineer Singh's professional career spans nearly 5 decades. He began his career as an assistant engineer in UP Power Corporation and performed the duties up to chief engineer. Presently, he is serving as adjunct professor at SMS Group of Institutions Technical Campus affiliated to AK Technical University. Engineer VB Singh served on the Senate of Roorkee University for 20 years and has been a long-standing member of the UP Board of Technical Education. He is actively involved with Bureau of Indian Standards, that's called BIS, as a member of the General Engineering Division Council. His role extends to various educational and research institutions such as Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar Central University and Birbal Sahni Institute of Tertiary Sciences under DST Government of India. As a member of Finance, Building and many selections committees, Engineer Singh is also serving on the National Executive Committee of the Indian Water Resources Society since 2013. Engineer VB Singh, association with the Institute of Engineers, spans an impressive 32 years, during which he has consistently demonstrated unwavering dedication and leadership. His active involvement at the national level in the institution as council member, including holding other key positions in various All India committees such as Chairman of Civil Engineering Division Board, Member Finance Committee, Chairman Service Rules and Headquarter Management Committee, Chairman of National Languages, Promotional Committee, Member Board of Management of Engineering Staff College of India. There is a SK there in Hyderabad. Member Board of Governors of the National Skill Development Forum, Sustainable Development Forum, and National Designs and Research Forum, etc. It speaks